Hello friends, this is Abhishek and I hope you all are doing great. In this trying time, we all need to be strong and concentrate all our energies into positive things and learn new things via online media. So I'm back with another such interesting feature, and trust me, this is an amazing feature by Canva that helps us to present ourselves in a very nice manner. If you're a corporate professional or a sales professional or anybody who has to deal with presentations, then trust me, this is a boon. As I just mentioned, if you're a corporate professional or for that matter, if you're a teacher, then what best way to share your presentation or record your presentation, or I can say a talking presentation to share with your colleagues or students. I'll guide you step by step how to record your talking presentation and share. So without any further ado, let's get started. The moment you click canva.com, this is where you will land up, and in the blue ribbon, you can see the blue ribbon right now. You'll find the second option as presentation. Just click on presentation option, and in the presentation, you'll find the second option as talking presentation. Just click on the talking presentation option and you'll find all the templates. All the templates which are being given as a pro or as a free user will be available to you. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using this presentation, learning from home. It is quite relatable because every kid, every student is being taught these days through the online medium. And this presentation deals with for the teachers as well as students or the corporate professionals. So I feel this is the more apt presentation. So what I'll do, I've chosen this presentation, and you can see there is an option called apply all the 9 pages. So there are 9 pages in this template. So I'll click apply all the 9 pages, and you'll find all the 9 pages in this canvas. These are all 9 pages which have been uploaded in the canvas. So as it will be more visible, so what I'll do, I'll just bring my picture to the left hand side. Now that I have brought my picture into the left hand side, you can see all the slides present in the canvas, and there is an option as grid view. Just click on the grid view so that you can easily see all the slides in a very nice manner. Once the slides have been placed in the grid view, in the top right hand side you will find the option as present and record. Moment you click on this thing, you will find this option as record yourself while talking over a presentation. Share a video link with students, friends or colleagues. So this is the place where you need to record your presentation. There is an option below which is go to recording studio. The moment you click recording studio, the countdown will begin and the recording will start. So I'll just click the go to recording studio. Once you hit that recording studio button, this is the page which will open. It will show all the camera as well as the audio options. You can click the drop down menu of the camera and see which camera you want to choose. Exactly the same thing is applicable for the audio option as well. Once everything is set, you need to click on this start recording button. You just hit the start recording button and it will show the countdown 3, 2, 1 and it will start. You can see my picture is inside this circle box, and the area which is being marked as red, this is the only area which is being recorded. And there is an area right hand side which is add a note to the design. So this is where you can write the notes for your particular slide. Suppose for the slide number 2 you want to write something, so I'll just type this is very important slide, or probably whatever note which you want to add, you can add this thing. Suppose you are the moment you reach the second slide, this is the note, and you can see the note and elaborate the particular topic which has been discussed in that slide. So this is a very important tool. And there are 2 modes with which you can change the slides. The first one is at the bottom. You can just click the slides which you can see at the bottom. Just click on that thing and the slides will be changed. Or else you can see the left and right hand arrow. You can just click on the arrow and the slides will be changed. So the entire recording can be done over here. And once the recording is done, what you can do, you can just click the end recording thing. The moment you click the end recording button, it will upload the file. It will form a link, and the link will be available to you for you to share. At the same time, it will make the file available to you which you can download. So both the options will be available. It depends upon you whichever option you want to choose. Once you hit that end recording button, you can see this uploading is going on. It shows keep this browser window open. This might take a little while. So it will take hardly couple of seconds, 20-30 seconds, and the file will be uploaded and the link will be available to you. So after some time, once the file is uploaded, the link will be available to you. You can copy the link. Just you need to hit this copy button and you can share the link with your colleague, or else what you can do, you can download this option. Just hit the download option. Now the file has been downloaded. I'll go to the folder and check how the recording has been done. So I'll go to the folder and click the the file which has been downloaded. So you can see the area which was showing will be recorded. That is the only area which has been recorded, the slide area, the presentation area, not the notes or the slides which were present to the shown to you. So this is the only area which has been recorded, and it's such a nice and clear presentation. The only thing which you need to record or keep that thing in mind is that your picture will be present in left hand bottom. So you need to design your presentation or the template in such a way that there is some space over there and for your picture to be placed. I hope the tutorial was informative. If it was, then do like, share and comment. In fact, you can hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I post any new video. I'll come back with another such informative and tutorial video. Till then, goodbye.